Yeah. Some people wait for perfect days, some wait for motivation, but legends, they show up anyway. No weekdays. Yeah. Cold breeze sliding through city lanes, neon flickers like distant flames. Back when the dream felt far away, but something inside kept saying stay. Empty wallet, restless nights, chasing sparks under broken lights. Every setback sharpened in sight, like iron forged inside the fight. Sweat on my skin, lungs full of smoke. Every law refining the focus. They set limits were carved in stone, but discipline set build your own. Greatness grows when nobody sees, in quiet wars against the weak. Yeah, I remember nights when hope went thin, fear at the door trying to get in. Clock hands racing like